So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy C or SEI cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, go to the middle or go to the bottom in the middle and press the magnifying glass. Once you're here, go to where it says search by name or symbol at the top and then type in a ticker symbol SEI and then select it. Once SEI is selected at the bottom where it says buy, press that. Then on this page under market order, you can type in how much you want to buy. So if you wanted to do $4 as an example, you type in 4 and then press review in the middle. Then you can review the order so you can see how much of SEI you're purchasing, the total fees, the total cost. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed at the bottom, swipe up to submit the order that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy SEI cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.